In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut holes in Blender. It's super simple and really powerful. First, let's start by adding our main object. I will use this default cube for example, so let me just resize it first. And if you are confused about what keys I am pressing, you can view them here. So I'll start by pressing S on my keyboard and resize it like so, and press Z on my keyboard. So I'll just resize it like so, and I will scale it up a little bit. And once that I've done that, I'll just press Shift and A key on my keyboard and just add a mesh. So I'm just gonna add a cylinder, for example, like so, and resize the cylinder by pressing S. And once I am happy with the size, so I'll just select the cube, and after selecting the cube, at the right hand side you will see a little wrench icon, which is modifiers. I'll just click on it and click on add modifiers. From here you will see different options pop up. From here just go to the generate and hover over generate, and you will see an option for boolean. Just click on boolean, and after you have clicked on boolean, make sure to set it to difference, and you will see a little picker icon. Just click on the picker and just select your cylinder like so. And once that the cylinder has been selected, just click on the little drop down and click on apply. And after that, just go to the move and select your cylinder, and you can just remove it like so. And as you can see, we have successfully cut a hole through an object in Blender. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.